Hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you all for being here with me on New Year's Eve. And again, I want to wish everybody a safe and happy New Year. I think 2019 is going to be an awesome year for our community. But anyways, before I went to work today, I was able to get a Stock Lock Sunday video up with an awesome lockwood that came all the way from Australia from my buddy FunKey MonKey. And it came through my buddy Big Al. He sent an awesome package to him, and I had a link in that video to that awesome package video. And in that package, Al had sent me this lock here. It's a Focus. Never heard of a Focus before. A carbine. But anyways, this lock here is also a challenge lock from FunKey MonKey. I don't remember watching my buddy Big Al pick this lock on his channel. I mean, there's so many awesome channels out there now, I just can't keep up with, watching everybody's videos anymore. But I try, when I got time, I try to watch these videos. But last couple of weeks, I haven't really had time for watching videos, making videos. I mean, holidays, my mother-in-law being up here and everything. But anyways, I couldn't remember watching him pick this, so I just went over to his channel. And I watched him pick it, and he did an awesome job, by the way. But I paused it before he opened it up. I didn't want to see the pins. I just wanted to comment on his video. But I'm going to try to get this open on my video now. And like he said in his video, this lock has a wicked bitting. But it's a quick set type keyway. So I'm going to give it a shot. And if I can't get it open this time, I'm going to give it a shot again when I wake up tomorrow. And until I get this thing open. But we're going to see if we can get it open now first. Everybody is sleeping. I just got home from work. And I would love to get another video up before New Year's, because I'm not sure if I'm going to get another chance. So, I'm going to give this one a shot. This lock does work, like he said in his video. Really, really smooth. But, let's see if we can get her open. With that type of bitting, he even said that he had to use he had to switch hooks and use a deep hook. So, I'm going to see, what do I got for a deep hook here? You know what? I think I'm going to try this Lunatic. That's a pretty deep hook. I think this is pin 3. A nice click from that. Wow. Pin 1. Oh, tiny click from pin 1. Little click from pin 2. Actually a nice heavy click again. Get some heavy clicks off of this. I think that was a click from 4. I can't get this pick under 5 though. I'm gonna have to go with a shorter hook. I'll try my buddy Checkmaster's hook. If I could get that pin. He said he needed a deep hook for pin 5. I can't seem to get under it with that one. Alright. I think that was pin 4. Maybe I might stay with this hook. It might have been pin 2. Oh, this feels like it's going to be an overset. Quite possibly. Oh, little click from 5. That might be where I need that deep hook. Okay, I might have got something out of it. Oh, and we're opening on, I think that was pin 3. Awesome. Yeah, that was a fun lock. Alright, let's see if we can open this up. And we're going to see what's inside of it. Alright, let's lock it back up. Oh, that doesn't look like a fun clip to get off. Let me see. Where is... Oh, here, let me grab a tray. Sorry about that. I'll just grab, I guess, this one. It's right on top. Alright, let's try to get this clip off. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it with that. Let me see. I'm either going to go with these, just to try to force it off. Oh, wait a minute. That might be hooked in there. I wish I watched at least how Al got that clip off. Let me try these. These sometimes work pretty good. Yep, there we go. I think we're gonna get it with these. Maybe. I got it spinning around now. Come on. Get off of there. Oh, we got it. Awesome. All right, let's see what is in here. Oh, that's 2 shims. Okay. Alright, there we go. Ooh, yeah, okay. We even got a tapered pin in there. Alright, I'll zoom it up once I get them all out. And we will have a look at them. Let's look at the core. It's got 2 threaded and 5. Alright, let me fix these a little bit. Oh, get back here. Alright, let's see what we got up here. Looks like a little standard. And, oh wow. That's a spiral pin. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's definitely pretty cool. That's different. I don't think I've ever seen a pin like that. That's pretty awesome. Springs are the same. I think they're brass. And we have, looks like a key pin, but it came out like that. So, alright, here we'll go through the back now. I don't know why I didn't use one of the new lighted plug followers. I've been dying to try one in a live situation. Oop, this pin came out like this. And that's a pretty awesome double spool. I get it to focus for you. That's pretty awesome. That was in 5. And last but not least, another standard. Okay. Oh, that's a... Oh, no, I think that might be the same spring. Alright, let's see if he did anything up here. No, he didn't take that off, so nothing done up here in the Bible. But let's have a look at these pins, as they're pretty awesome. Alright, key pin 1, you can see that's definitely beveled. Excuse me. Then we have a standard up top. Key pin 2 is a standard, but check this spiral pin out. That's pretty badass. That's awesome. Key pin 3, double spool. Then up top, looked like we had a... Oh, man, I can't keep a hold of these pins. Looks like we had a key pin, but it was in that way. And then key pin number 4, nice deep spool. And another standard up top. Yep, just a standard. Key pin 5 is a standard, but up top is a pretty awesome double spool with a really sharp edge on that bottom one. Nice and sharp. And I believe all the springs are brass, but yeah, that was definitely a fun lock for sure. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, yeah, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And please go check out my buddy Big Albert Lebel's channel and FunKey MonKey's channel, because both of these guys are awesome. So, yeah. Alright guys, everybody please be safe and stay legal. Have a happy new year. Thanks guys. Bye.